Hello friends, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my videos. It really does mean the world to me that you guys take the time to watch these videos. I really appreciate it, so thank you very much. I have a few messages to share with you guys. They are not long at all, I promise. So number one, I accept prayer requests. Me and my family have a list that we pray for every single day. So if you want us to add you and your prayer requests to our list, just go ahead and message me, either leave a comment below or contact me through any of the social media platforms that I have, and we will go ahead and add you to our prayer list. Number two, if you are on Instagram, you should totally be following me. Why? Because I post a lot more content there than I do here, obviously, on YouTube. I post pictures of my kids, recipes, and such. So if you're on there, go ahead and follow me. And number three, if you are not already part of this family, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. You can hit the subscription button below and the notification bell so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. We have so much fun here in this channel. I share with you guys recipes, I do Bible studies, I do makeup reviews, I do vlogs, I do videos with my kids. So if you want to go ahead and join our family, like I said, go ahead and subscribe. Alright guys, that's about it. Have an amazing day and I will see you in my next video. Bye!